morning, friends. I am your Ravikumar sir, social studies teacher. Once again, good morning to friends. Good morning, one and all, my dear students also. ఈరోజు నా వివిఆర్ జయం ఛానల్ ద్వారా ఒక మంచి లెసన్ వీడియోతో మేము ముందుకు వస్తున్నాను. మ్యాప్స్ అండ్ మ్యాప్ రీడింగ్. ఇది కామన్ టాపిక్. ఇది అందరికీ కావాల్సినటువంటిది, తెలుసుకోవాల్సింది. సో కంప్లీట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ టు ఇంగ్లీష్ ఉంటుంది. జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, అర్థం చేసుకోండి. డౌట్స్ ఉంటే నాకు కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో మ్యాప్స్ అండ్ మ్యాప్ రీడింగ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు దిస్ టాపిక్. Location. Related to the topic location, a geometrical grid of latitudes and longitudes is used to locate the position of a place on the Earth's surface. Mathematical formula are used to project the information onto a plane surface. So generally, a grid or gratitude is a geometrical network formed by the intersection of parallels of latitude and meridians or lines of longitude, which provides convenient reference points while projecting a spherical surface on a plane surface. These points are then used to positively locate any place on the plane map. Gratitude lines may be shown either as straight lines perpendicular to each other or curved lines, depending on the type of projection used for a specific purpose. So related to grid, latitudes or parallels form the x-axis of the grid. These lines run east-west along the Earth's surface and the parallel with their centers on the Earth's axis and their planes at right angles to it. The equator is the circle whose plane passes through the center of the Earth and is perpendicular to the Earth's axis. Being equidistant from the poles, it divides the Earth into northern and southern hemispheres. Its latitude is 0 degree. The greatest possible latitude is 90 degree, that of the poles. And what about longitudes? Longitudes is also known as meridians, form the y-axis of the grid. These lines run north to south along the Earth's surface and meet at the two poles. Longitude is expressed as the angle made by a longitudinal plane at a Earth center with that of the prime meridian, which is 0 degree Greenwich longitude. There are thus 180 longitudes east and west of the prime meridian. And what about map projections? The naturally accurate map of the Earth is a globe. Although the shape of the Earth is that of an oblate spheroid, that is, flat at the poles and bulging at the equator. For the sake of convenience, although the shape of the Earth is taken to be a perfect sphere, the globe thus a reduced Earth retaining all geometrical properties. Being a three-dimensional body, less than half of the surface is observed at any given time. The globe itself is cumbersome to handle and measurements are difficult. To overcome such practical difficulties, cartographers project the spherical surface onto a plane surface. The actual process of transformation of surface data is called projection. My dear students, in this lesson, I already discussed. Grid is very helpful to locate the continents, countries, any place on the map by joining of two horizontal lines and two vertical lines, means two latitudes and two longitudes. To form a shape, it is called grid. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. నా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. నా వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. లైక్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్.